So we just picked up Brian Meyer's wheels and tires. You know, it's very nice when you have somebody that can carry them for you for a nice tip. So he can conserve his good tires. I think there's an exit up here, right? Yeah. But yeah, we just picked up the tires. The truck feels good. It's towing 3 badass cars pretty smoothly. The cabin's pretty quiet. Most comfortable ride I've done in 2 Miatas of the Gap, to be honest. If I'm gonna be completely honest.
We're living in the lap of luxury.
Compared to
Private
extreme wind noise, road noise, shifting 1,600 times in less than 3 miles. You know, and yeah, this is ideal for what we're doing basically. So I'm pretty happy. Little John called that drink.
What?
Crunk.
Oh.
This is not crunk, but it's close enough.
What's crunk?
Well, you know, Little John used to call his drink crunk. I think it was crunk.
I didn't talk about crunk.
I put some ice water in my face, give me a little extra boost of waking up, and some Red Bull with ice.
All right, tell the people what stop are we on?
Are you still feeling sleepy?
It's not Red Bull and rum or vodka, so I'll be probably focusing on this one.
No, I'm pretty sure because you don't really drink, so.
But we are not in Buc-ee's yet.
Fortunately not.
You know, we're working our way up to Atlanta to get to that Buc-ee's. But bro, you're sitting basically at the pedals.
Yeah, there's a big ass difference between both of you.
Jesus Christ, look at this. I gotta. By the time this gets back, we'll be at Buc-ee's. He likes driving when he can taste the steering wheel. So we are on 75 on the way to Buc-ee's in Georgia, and we caught up Sergio, Track Prep Performance. This is not staged. This is not scripted. We literally just caught up to him. He saw when I had left.
Look at that beautiful sign. It's already big up.
Yes, no. He saw when I had left, and he sent me a message. I didn't see the message because I was taking a nap. And then I wake up, and in the distance, we see the blue NB. And now we're all going to Buc-ee's, and we're gonna get full and get fat. I'm gonna get fatter. Gio's gonna not gain any weight.
Stay skinny.
He's gonna stay skinny.
Got tapeworm.
But yeah, it's a cool coincidence, and now we have a Miata Caravan of what, 1, 2, 3, what was it, 5 Miatas?
Let me honest.
5 Miatas and 3 trucks and 3 trailers. That's fun.
You did the math. There she is.
Oh,
There's that beautiful beaver.
Lucy's. We're here. What's it?
Thank you for contacting me.
Oh yeah.
For information about go-karting.
Well, I ate, excuse me, I ate about 2 1/4 sandwiches. Pretty good. I had my fill with Buc-ee's, and I had enough of the crowds in there. Too many people, too much hunger. Now we're going to go-kart in the rain, most likely.
Bro, is that the Stig?
Hey,
Bro, I think that's him.
that's a stick, man.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's the Stig. It's the Stig. Yo, Stig, can you sign my boobs?
Can we get an autograph?
What do you think, Nick? Was it fun or what?
It was pretty fun, bro. I always love paying money to watch everyone crash around me.
How about the Mario Karting session?
Bro, I didn't even have to get it, though, mystery box. They all used it on each other.
Well, we're almost at the cabin. We're like what, an hour and a half away, and then we start doing the fun part, unloading everything, to later on load it again. End this vacation. This mountain stuff, like, you can already see these motherfuckers mountains. Look at this.
It's a beautiful sight.
Beautiful. I love it. If we just had a little bit of this, like visually in Miami, it will be so much better.
So much better.
Miami will be much cooler,
Way
literally,
more tolerable.
and cooler as in how it looks. But we don't have none of this.
Way more tolerable.
Let them know.
So we're here about 1.5 miles away from the cabin. We're just before taking this gigantic trailer over there. We're basically gonna scout to have a attack plan. Sergio needs to park his trailers in the vacant lot.
How much we have to walk back to get into the truck?
I know, it's fucking annoying. So we're basically here, it's just we just coordinating the situation here, but it seems like I got my hopes up, so I hope I don't have to park this somewhere else. It's pretty far, because it's gonna suck. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. I just gotta wait for Eric right now.
All right, Lando, what you got going on?
We're trying to figure out this bleeder kit for Eric. Basically, that's how it goes. Send it. Make sure that one stays. Then we got Gio still working on this car.
Well, I have 3 of them.
Yes, dude. The fucking Goose Drown is causing it, dude. Let's have.
Alright, stop there. So it's 2:48 in the morning, August 4th. And I had an oopsie on the Dragon for the first time. And I'm not proud of it, but you know, it happens when you push the limits of the car and you drive with enthusiasm and excitement. You know, sometimes it does happen and you end up either hitting a tree, hitting a mountain, or hitting a ditch. In this case, I hit a mountain. And you know, look at them. First of all, I'm okay. Nothing happened to me.
Dang it.
I know some haters out there wish I was harmed, but I'm not harmed. The only thing that was harmed is just my car's bumper and tie rod end. So maybe next time.